With Christmas right around the corner, what if I told you that making an extra $1,000 before the holidays is totally doable no matter what your budget?
Hey there, I'm Cassie, a 27-year-old entrepreneur from Toronto, Canada. And if you're watching this, you're probably curious about how to make an extra $500 a month or even more. That kind of income can be truly life-changing, and trust me, I've been right where you are. Just a few years ago, I was endlessly scrolling, Googling, and researching ways to make an online income until I finally cracked the code. Now I earn a full-time income completely remotely, traveling the world and making money from anywhere just with my phone and some Wi-Fi. On this channel, I'm here to show you exactly how I went from dreaming about a better life to actually living it. My goal is to help people just like you create the freedom and flexibility that comes with earning online. So let's get started.
Hi everyone, the holidays are just around the corner and so many of us could use an extra $1,000 before Christmas, whether it's for gifts, travel, or just making the seasons a little bit brighter. So today I'm going to be breaking down 2 proven ways that you can make it happen. One with 0 startup costs and one with one smaller $500 investment. The first option is starting a print-on-demand business using Etsy. This option is perfect if you are creative and don't want to spend money up front. In my previous video, I actually explained to you how to set up an Etsy storefront and get started, so be sure to check that video out. Here's how it works. You create designs for items like mugs, tote bags, or holiday themed t-shirts and upload them to a print-on-demand platform like Printify or Printful. These platforms handle all of the printing and shipping for you, so there's no inventory that's needed. All right, so let's do the math. If you price each item at $25 and your profit margin is around $10 per sale, you would need to sell 100 to make $1,000 profit. Now, this is a no-cost option. The downside is that it does require more time to design, market, and scale your shop. You'll also need to rely on Etsy's SEO or promote your store on social media and get those sales rolling. So for me, my recommendation to you is to get creative with your designs, create your Etsy storefront, and then start branding and marketing it on social media. Because social media is a free marketing advertisement tool that you have at your fingertips. So the pros is that there's no upfront cost, there's low risk, and you have a creative outlet. The cons, it's time intensive, it's competitive, and requires consistent effort for you to hit that $1,000 goal before Christmas. Now, let's talk about the second option, which is investing $500 into your digital marketing journey with the UBC course. This is a one-time investment and you'll learn 9 different ways to create an income online. So let me show you just how quickly you can turn this investment into a profit. First, it would be reselling the UBC course. For example, by reselling UBC, you would earn $499 per sale. So that means that you would only have to make 2 sales to almost hit your $1,000 goal. That's crazy, right? And after just 3 sales, you'll be well over $1,000 in profit. So think about it. Your first sale would be making back your investment. Your second 2 sales would get you to $1,000. So this option is perfect for anyone who's ready to just start their entrepreneurial journey and wants to learn the skills that will continue to pay off long after the holidays. The second option is monetizing a passion, okay? So putting it into an ebook and learning how to resell it. So if you're not feeling confident about selling the UBC course, no worries, because let's say that you have a passion for baking. You could then create a holiday themed baking ebook and guide and sell it for $50. And to make an extra $1,000, you'd only have to sell 20 copies of your ebook. And the best part is that UBC gives you the tools to market and sell your digital products like this so that you're not limited to one income stream. So what are the pros and cons of investing into UBC? The pros of this option is that you'll be learning valuable skills and have multiple ways to earn an income online, and it's easier to hit your $1,000 goal with just some fewer steps. And the cons is that it does require that upfront initial investment of $500, but you're building something that is sustainable, that can generate an income year round and not just for the holidays. So which one is the better option? It depends on you. If you're creative, you love design, and prefer no risk approach, then the print on demand Etsy business might be the best fit for you. But if you're ready to invest in yourself and learn high income skills and build something that lasts beyond the holidays, then starting your digital marketing business with UBC is the way to go. Both options are great, but either way, that you will be well on your way to earning that extra $1,000 for Christmas. So if you're ready to start your Etsy shop, check out my previous video with all of the details. And if digital marketing and UBC sounds like your thing, I'll leave all the info below for you to get started. Let me know in the comments which option that you're going to choose, or if you've been thinking about trying both. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button so you don't miss tips on how to make money online. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy holidays.